It's a 2007 Nissan Xterra. This Xterra has a standard rear liftgate door, a roof rack, comfortable bucket seats, privacy glass, and tow hooks. It also features double wishbone front suspension, seat back storage, and front and rear stabilizer bars. With its rugged looks, excellent handling, roomy interior, and incredible performance, this Xterra has all the extras to make it your next SUV. See it for yourself today.
You'll see a difference at J&M Auto Sales. Call or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 820 New Haven Road in Naugatuck, Connecticut.